Hi everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. Today in this video I'm going to guide you through how you can turn on sound on Spades. So let's get started. First of all, open the Spades app on your device. Now tap on the gear button. Next, scroll until you can find sounds under the preferences. Then tap on the box beside sounds. Once the green tick appears, that's how you know that the sounds is activated. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you never miss another gaming update.